If you're after a quick and easy tomato sauce using the ingredients you've probably got in your cupboard already, then this is the recipe for you. Hey foodies, I'm Chef Bobby, a professional chef dedicated in bringing you healthy, easy to make recipes. So whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just love good food, this channel's for you. So today we're making my tomato sauce. Now, usually I don't make this with fresh ingredients, but I'm using a bit of a mixture of both today. And as I said in my introduction, I usually have most of these ingredients in my pantry all year round. So a couple of substitutes, you can use fresh tomatoes if you want. Use the same amount of fresh tomatoes as you would do canned tomatoes, but personally, I prefer using canned tomatoes. I think it's a little bit easier. I use chopped tomatoes and I blend them down. Now, if you wanted to use a passata or something that's already been processed, go ahead, but I generally don't keep passata in the house. And today I'm using fresh onion, garlic, and basil. Now, if you don't have those fresh in your house already, you can use dried. So garlic powder, onion powder works perfectly, also dried basil. And quite simply, to prepare this recipe, you just throw all the ingredients into a blender cup, blend it, pour the ingredients into the saucepan, and then bring it up to the boil. Once the sauce starts to boil, we're gonna lower the temperature to a simmer, and we're gonna simmer it for about 15 to 20 minutes. You'll notice that the sauce is almost ready as it starts to get a bit thicker when you're stirring. So there we have it, a quick and easy tomato sauce, versatile enough that you can use it on pasta or pizza or anything you can think of that requires a tomato sauce. As for nutrition, I've got it at 50 calories per 150 grams or thereabouts, which is perfect for 2 servings of pasta sauce or even on top of a pizza. That's coming well under what you'll find in the store-bought sauces. If you're after some more recipe inspiration, check out the videos just on screen now and let's cook up something amazing together.